Welcome to 7 Days of English. Today, learn how to talk to your doctor with 7 simple questions and answers in real-life situations. Do you have an appointment? Repeat. Do you have an appointment? Yes, I have an appointment with Dr. Smith. Repeat. Yes, I have an appointment with Dr. Smith. What brings you in today? Repeat. What brings you in today? I'm feeling very tired and I have chest pain. Repeat. I'm feeling very tired and I have chest pain. Do you have any allergies? Repeat. Do you have any allergies? Yes, I'm allergic to penicillin. Repeat. Yes, I'm allergic to penicillin. Are you taking any medication? Repeat. Are you taking any medication? I take something for high blood pressure. Repeat. I take something for high blood pressure. Do you smoke or drink alcohol? Repeat. Do you smoke or drink alcohol? No, I don't smoke, and I only drink occasionally. Repeat. No, I don't smoke, and I only drink occasionally. We need to run some tests, and I'll call you with the results. Repeat. We need to run some tests, and I'll call you with the results. Thank you, doctor. Repeat. Thank you, doctor. You're welcome. Take care. Repeat. You're welcome. Take care. Thanks for watching. If you found this useful, give it a like, subscribe, and click the bell so you don't miss the next episode. What other situations do you want to practice in English? Tell me in the comments.